Good afternoon, everybody. I hope all of you are well and safe. And I pray to God that you all are safe and studying at home. Concentrate on your all subjects. Cambridge International School, Daswa, has taken the initiative for e-learning for those students whose future really matters to us. This is Rita in front of you, and today we are going to read Chapter 1, Political Theory. The topics I would be covering in this video: putting political theory into practice and why should we study political theory. Now, after doing these two topics, our chapter will be completed. Yes, this is your paper 2 book, Political Theory and Introduction, Chapter 1. Shall we start? Yes. The topic we are going to do: putting political theory into practice. Now, before going to further topic, let me recall the previous one. Previously, we have done few topics like political theory, what is political theory, definition of political theory, and putting political theory into practice we will do today. Because earlier it means political theory, what we have done, it means that it deals with the ideas and principles that shape constitution, governments and social life in a systematic manner. ठीक है, उसे कहते हैं political theory. Political theory clarifies the meaning of concepts such as freedom, equality, justice, democracy and secularism and so on. वो सब हम लोग नेक्स्ट चैप्टर्स में करेंगे. Now, putting political theory into practice. This is the topic that we are going to do today. Now, let me clear some of the introduction for this topic. Now, we confine ourselves to one aspect of political theory, that which deals with the origin, meaning, significance of political ideas that we are familiar, such as freedom, equality, citizenship, justice and development, nationalism, secularism. ये सारा हम लोग इस बुक में पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, in this text book only. What we begin a debate or argument on any topic, we usually ask what does it mean, है ना. फिर हम ये कहते हैं इसका मतलब क्या, how does it matter. So political theorists have asked what is freedom or equality and provided diverse definitions. Unlike in mathematics, where there can be one definition of a triangle or square, we encounter many definitions of equality and freedom or justice. ठीक है, तो यहाँ हम पढ़ेंगे कि we need political theory क्यों हमें चाहिए. Restrictions on freedom from the discrimination based on gender, caste, religion and sex, poverty and unemployment. Some are privileged while others are deprived of the necessities. So to bring freedom and equality to all sections, we require political theory. Now, this page, same page I have taken from your book, and in this topic I have told you that how can we say that when we begin with a debate of argument on any topic, we usually ask what it matters or what does it mean. Now, if we suffer from some disability, अब ये मैं आपको वो बताने चाह रही हूँ, because every time we say that we are equal, there should be equality, there should be freedom. So one example is giving at page number 9 and 10 for your reference. In this reference, it is said that this is because of the terms like equality concern our relationship with other human beings rather than with the things. So human beings, unlike the things, have opinion on issues like equality. ठीक है, equal हैं सारे, and many options needed to be understood and harmonized. So how do we go about doing this? Let us begin with our common experience of equality in other places also, in different places also. So now I am telling you one example. I am giving you the same example you can do from your page number 9. You may have noticed that people often jump the queue in a shop or doctor's waiting room. ठीक है. Sometimes those who said they are told to get back in the line and we feel glad, है ना, हम पहले आए थे तो हम पहले लाइन में लग जाते हैं, हमें खुशी होती है कि हमारा पहले नंबर आ गया. Sometimes they get ahead and we feel cheated. So we resent this because all of want equal opportunity to get goods and services for which we are paying. So when we reflect on our experiences, we understand that equality means equal opportunity for all. Now, the example I am telling you from page number 11. If we suffer from some disability, अगर मान लो कोई प्रॉब्लम है किसी को, वैसे तो इक्वालिटी है सबके लिए, लेकिन अगर कोई डिसेबल बंदा है, हाँ, कोई फिजिकली वीक है, we want special provision made. When we cannot even afford basic needs, equal opportunity is not enough. We must be enabled to go to school or get help through proactive measures such as fair distribution of resources, jobs, decent wages, subsidized hospitals, etc. So this requires that some agency be made responsible to ensure fairness. ऐसी कोई एजेंसी होनी चाहिए जो सही तरीके से इक्वालिटी को लाए, those who are suffering from some of the disability. So the reason we have many definition is because the meaning of equality is dependent on the context. इक्वालिटी का मतलब अलग अलग हो जाता है. We started with what it meant for ourselves and then proceeded to consider others, the poor, disadvantaged, senior citizen, जिनको कि हम कहते हैं कि इनको थोड़ा एडवांटेज मिल जाना चाहिए. So we discovered many layers of meaning. We have been doing political theory without realizing it. इसके बिना तो हम realize नहीं कर सकते हैं. Now we are doing political theorist. वो के बारे में क्या कहते हैं. So why should we study political theory? अब इसके reasons हैं हमें क्यों पढ़नी चाहिए political theory, है ना. First of all, the very first of all, political theory is relevant for all the above targeted groups. As high school students, we may choose one of the above profession in the future, and so indirectly it is relevant for us even now. Secondly, we are all going to be citizens entitled to vote and decide other issues. To act responsibly, it is helpful to have basic knowledge of political ideas and institutions that shape the world we live in. Otherwise, political theory पढ़े बिना हमें पता नहीं चलेगा what kind of criteria is prevailing in the society. So in the information society, it is crucial that we learn to be reasonable and informed if we are to participate in Gram Sabhas or offer our views to websites or polls. If we simply express arbitrary preferences, we will not be very effective. खाली military rule लागू हो जाए, so that would not be so much effective. But if we are thoughtful and mature, we can use the new media to discuss the express and common interest. Now third, freedom, equality and secularism are not abstract issues in our lives. ये ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ कहने के लिए हैं, ये ऐसे इशू हैं जिनको हम अप्लाई भी करते हैं लाइफ में, even on daily basis. We daily encounter discrimination on various sorts of families, schools, colleges, shopping malls and so on. We ourselves have prejudices. Sometimes तो हमें भी कुछ prejudice, कुछ insult सा feel होता है against the people who are different from us. Be they of a different caste or religion or gender or a class. So if we feel oppressed, we want it redressed, and if that is delayed, we feel violent revolution is justified. हम भी चाहते हैं कि हमें जल्दी से जल्दी justice मिल जाए. नहीं मिलता तो we will do revolution. तो इसीलिए political theory पढ़नी चाहिए. So scope of political theory, you can say state and the government are main subject of political theory. Study of power. Political theory is a study of power. Political theory, study of rights and duties. Political theory, study of political party. Political theory, study of ideology. So finally, as students, we enjoy debates and elocution competitions. We have opinion about what is wrong and what is right, just or unjust, but do not know whether they are reasonable or not. तो जब तक हमें political theory पढ़ते हैं, जब तक हमें political theory नहीं पढ़ेंगे, तब तक we can't say that whatever the things are wrong and right. So political theory exposes us to systematic thinking or justice or equality, so that we can polish our opinions and argue in informed manner and for the sake of common interest. So now you will write only one question, but before writing one question, shall we recapitulation? Yes. What is politics? ये पढ़ा था. Important thinkers. You remember I have shown the pictures. Then preambles enshrined. Then importance of political theory. ये question आपको कल दिया था. What is political theory? Significance of political theory we have done today, and putting political theory into practice. And last topic just we have done scope of political theory. Now this is the time for learn, revise and write questions. Today you will only write only one question. Why should we study political science, or describe the importance of studying political theory? Yes, this is this much only for the day, and tomorrow we will meet with new video and with new lesson. Till then, goodbye and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.